One of America's most jaw-dropping legal cases just took another stunning twist. Alex Murdaugh, the disgraced South Carolina attorney convicted of murdering his own wife and son, could now face the death penalty in his upcoming retrial. I am your anchor on WNN News, World News Network, and here is everything you need to know. Back in June 2021, Maggie Murdaugh and her 22-year-old son, Paul, were shot and killed near the dog kennels on their family estate in South Carolina. In 2023, Alex Murdaugh was found guilty of both murders and sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole. But now that conviction has been completely thrown out. The South Carolina Supreme Court unanimously overturned his murder conviction. The reason? Former Colleton County Court Clerk Becky Hill tampered with the jury. Justices found that Hill made improper comments directly to jurors, suggesting they should not be fooled by the defense. She even gave jurors a personal talk about Murdaugh's decision to testify. The court called her conduct egregious and ruled that Murdaugh did not receive a fair trial. Hill later pleaded guilty in December 2025 to obstruction of justice, perjury, and misconduct in office. Her punishment? Just 3 years of probation. Now here's the bombshell. South Carolina Attorney General Alan Wilson says the death penalty is now on the table for the retrial. Wilson stated, "We are back to square one on this case, and that means all our legal options are on the table, including the death penalty." This is significant because prosecutors never even sought the death penalty during the first trial. Murdaugh maintains his innocence. His defense team says they will not accept any plea deal, period. They say they look forward to a new trial conducted by the Constitution. But here's the challenge ahead. This case has been covered by every major news outlet in America. There are Netflix documentaries, Hulu series, true crime podcasts, and best-selling books. Finding 12 unbiased jurors in South Carolina is going to be one of the biggest legal puzzles this retrial will face. And there is one more critical detail you need to know. The South Carolina Supreme Court also ruled that in the retrial, prosecutors will not be allowed to use the same heavy financial crimes evidence they relied on in 2023. The court said that evidence went far beyond what was necessary and created unfair prejudice against Murdaugh. Despite the overturned murder conviction, Alex Murdaugh is not walking free. He remains behind bars, serving a 27-year state sentence and a 40-year federal sentence for financial crimes. The question tonight, will justice finally be served for Maggie and Paul Murdaugh? Or will this retrial flip everything upside down again? Stay with WNN News for every development as this story unfolds. I am your anchor, and this is WNN, World News Network. Thank you for watching.